A lot of students would skip this question for a reason. The question says, outline briefly how lead 2 chloride could be prepared from lead 2 trioxynitrate 5 and a mineral acid. The reason why they will skip this is a mention of one of the reactants, a mineral acid. But the secret of getting the mineral acid lies in the givens. Now let us solve this the Chemist AI way. Stay tuned. Now, this is the product, lead 2 chloride. You can get the two reactants from the product. The product is divided into lead and chloride. The reactant that offered the lead is lead 2 trioxynitrate 5. And there is a reactant that offered the chloride. So you write the chloride and they say it is a mineral acid. So acid comes with hydrogen. So the acid is simply hydrochloric acid. So the two reactants are lead 2 nitrate and hydrochloric acid. Remember that lead 2 chloride is solid and it appears as a white precipitate when these two reactants combine. Therefore, the outline is as follows. First of all, you dissolve the lead 2 trioxynitrate 5 solid in distilled water because the reaction takes place in aqueous medium. Number 2 is you add the dilute hydrochloric acid to the aqueous solution. And immediately you add this hydrochloric acid, it will offer the chloride that will attack the lead nitrate to form a white precipitate. Remember, the white precipitate formed is lead 2 chloride. So once the white precipitate is formed, it leads us to filtration. So number 3, you filter the precipitate, which is lead 2 chloride. And after filtering, remember, lead 2 chloride is sparingly soluble, especially in hot water. So you wash with cold distilled water in order to make sure that there is no waste of lead 2 chloride. After washing, the next is to dry between the filter paper. So you dry the residue on the filter paper, and that is your lead 2 chloride prepared from aqueous solutions of lead 2 trioxynitrate 5 and hydrochloric acid respectively. And then it is good as a chemist or as a chemistry student to write the equation of reaction. The equation of reaction is as follows. Lead 2 nitrate aqueous plus hydrochloric acid aqueous. Remember, the main product is lead 2 chloride gotten from lead and chloride, which is the white precipitate, is a solid, and the hydrogen from acid will combine with trioxynitrate 5 ion from the salt to form nitric acid. And to balance the equation, nitrate is 2 at the left, so you write 2 at the back of nitric acid, and chlorine is 2 at the right, so you write 2 at the back of hydrochloric acid. And that is the equation of reaction that leads to production of lead 2 chloride.